We are 11 weeks out from your very first show coming up here in 2019. For someone who's trying to debate what they should be doing or which competition they should get in with your show, what should they be thinking about?
One, my show's been going, and this will be, I think, the 9th year of the Muscle Heat. And, you know, of course, I've had the Elite Muscle for going on 28 years. But the show, and I feel we're having it at the Coliseum, which is ran the same as the Elite Muscle. It's a more of a beginner show because of the time of the year. So you won't have so many different people on stage. It gives you an opportunity to get a look from the judges without feeling like you're in a class with 15 to 20 people. The class is smaller. Last year we actually had a hurricane. Hopefully we won't have that this year. We're going to have better luck with the weather, but it's a big stage. It's going to be at the Coliseum, and it's going to be September the 14th. We have bodybuilding, classic physique, men's physique, bikini, figure. We have all different age groups. This year we're introducing teen classic physique and teen men's physique, which is the first year we had that. And then we're going to have 50 and over classic physique, and we also have 50 and over bikini, which will be the first year we had that. And we actually also have teen bikini. So the Muscle Heat and the Elite Muscle, the time of the years are different, but this would be a perfect show for someone who's thinking about getting in, competing for the first time, to feel they're going to have a better opportunity of doing well, because I know everybody, it's not just about winning, but you want an opportunity to do as good as possible. So hopefully you'll be at the show September 14th, 2019 at the Greensboro Coliseum. Please click like on this video and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates about other things, because I'm going to be talking about how to prepare for shows and those things in the future. And you can contact me through my phone number 336-987-4007 or my email qrelite@gmail.com.